In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort the x-axis in Power BI charts using custom sorting. Whether you're a newcomer to Power BI or have some experience under your belt, this guide will simplify the task, ensuring your data is represented exactly how you need it. First, make sure you have Power BI open on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from the official Power BI website. Once Power BI is open, the next step is to import your data. This can be done by clicking on the Get Data button, which is usually found in the Home tab at the top of your screen. You'll be presented with a variety of data source options. Choose the one that fits your data, whether it's an Excel spreadsheet, a database, or any of the many supported file types. Select your data file and follow the prompts to load it into Power BI. Now that your data is imported, it's time to decide which chart type best represents your data. Head over to the Visualization pane on the right-hand side of your screen. Here you'll see a myriad of chart options, including bar charts, line charts, and pie charts, among others. Click on the icon that corresponds to the chart you'd like to use. Once your chart type is selected, prepare to define your data fields. For the x-axis, you simply need to drag the data field of your choice from the Fields pane, typically located just below the Visualization pane, into the x-axis placeholder in your chosen chart. This will populate the chart's x-axis with your data. Now here is where custom sorting comes into play. By default, Power BI attempts to sort your data based on the values or categories it is given. However, this might not always align with how you want the data to appear. To change the sort order, simply click on the drop-down arrow next to the field you've placed on the x-axis. This will present you with different sorting options, such as ascending, descending, or sorting by a different field. You can choose your preferred sorting method from here. If these options don't meet your needs, another approach is to create a custom sort column in your data source. This column should include numerical values that represent the desired order. For example, if you want your categories to follow a specific sequence, number them accordingly. Then bring this new column into Power BI and sort your x-axis using it. With these steps, your Power BI chart's x-axis will now display in exactly the order you intended. By following this guide, you ensure your visualizations are both meaningful and accurate, making your data storytelling more impactful. So there you have it, sorting your